Hello everyone. In this video we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of imputation tool in Alteryx. So this tool we can find out in the preparation tab. So over here you can find out this imputation tool. So we have to input the data with the help of input data tool. We have to go to this input output tool, in out tab. Then we can take this input data tool in the canvas. We have to connect it with the file. So it will redirect us to our data collection window. Now we have to connect it with a file. So already the path is being selected. So I'll select this file named as Imputation sales. Click on this particular file. So whatever will be the sheets in this particular file. So this particular file is having different types of sheets. So I'll select the sheet named as Imputation. Click on OK. So imputation basically means that whatever we done in Excel, that is find and replace. So the same thing we can done in case of imputation. So we can find if there will be null fields. So we can find out that null fields and we can replace it with any of the data. Say we can replace it with number or any type of text. So I'll just click on run. So if we observe carefully in the preview also, we can see this particular null fields which is there in the copy cells. So this is the file named as option cells. So these are null fields. So this can be replaced with the average, median, mode, like this. So we'll go to this preparation tab, bring this imputation tool in the canvas. So now in the configuration pane, it will select the field whichever is there. So wherever you are finding out the null field, so it will by default select it. So wherever you are going to find out the null fields, so the null fields were displayed in the copy 6. As we have seen that the null fields are going to be displayed in the copy cells. So it is going to by default select the imputation option. Yeah. So over here we can see the null fields. So this is being there. So it is by default going to select this. So now I'll go to this particular imputation tab. So over here in the configuration pane, it is by default selected the copy cells. So imputation tool is being there. So I'll just click on the run button. For before that, we have to see that we have to replace the incoming values which is null. So we have to replace this particularly null, and this null values or null fields is going to replace by the average of all the copy cells. So whatever will be the copy cells there, that will be there in the null fields. And if you want to represent it by out different or separate field, so we can also represent it by separate. I'll just click on run. So whatever values is being so it is being highlighted by the red color. So the red display means that these are the null values and it is being replaced by the average. So we can replace it by median, mode, any of the values. So wherever null values are there, we can replace it by average, median, mode. So it is being replaced replaced by the average of the copy sales. If you want to represent it by a separate field, so just click on the output imputed values as separate field, so it will be replaced by separate field. Click on run. So over here we can find out that null values are there, null field is there, and in front of the null fields the average of copy sales will be displayed. So it will be given by a separate field. Yeah. So over here we can find out that copy sales, which is consisting of null values, and then there are average. So likewise these are the averages. That's it for this video. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.